Hey, Mike here, I wanted to give you a tip. So when we were framing all these walls, of course we went 16 on center, but when we got to the electrical part, 16 on center, but when we got to the electrical part, what I did was I actually put all of my electrical boxes on where the seams are. Seams are going to be, okay? So you can see that they're all on the seams. Here's an example over here. All right, so before I did any of the straightening of the walls or putting any electrical in, I went around and I laid out where exactly every one of my studs was going to lay, right? Or I'm sorry, my drywall was going to lay. So you have 4 foot between here and here. So that made me decide where to put my outlet. And this is actually, I thought this was maybe a good idea or might be a terrible idea. But it's actually turned out to be a really, a big time saver. Okay, so let me show you why. So there's an outlet actually right behind here. Okay? And the nice thing about this is you do the same thing on every single outlet. You don't have to measure the height and and then cut it out in the middle. You just basically do the same thing every outlet that you have. So we put it up, we level it, we plumb it, we put a couple screws in. Then what you do is on every one, you measure in exactly 3 inches. Okay? Since I know everything's plumb, I then just quickly come over here, I put a level on, right? And I know my outlets around here and around here. Then what I do is you take your drywall saw, you pull the drywall out a little bit, you see where the thing is, you rest your saw on it, and you just cut this out. Then, you take your knife, put it back on there, you write it down, one more cut, boom, there's our box, and it's in. So the nice thing about this, it doesn't seem like a big deal when you're doing one, but the nice, this is a repeatable process, so you're going to get this done real quick when you do the whole entire room using the same methodology, okay? So, yeah, I know there's a little gap here, but we'll just fill that in with 45-minute mud, no big deal. And then we'll spackle over the whole thing and then cut this out with an X-Acto knife later. All right, I hope that was helpful. If it was helpful to you, please like, please subscribe, comment, thanks.